A very warm good afternoon to all the prestigious leaders of the life insurance industry. Consumers are panic buying life insurance due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. According to a recent article posted by CNBC on smart tax planning, the America's largest insurance firm, which is Northwestern Mutual, witnessed a 15% rise in the life insurance sales as compared to what it witnessed in the previous year 2019. The rise is majorly due to the fear of deaths and the increasing awareness of financial risk among the customers. What if the breadwinner of the family unexpectedly dies in between the uncertainty? The answer is life insurance is for everyone, but ensuring faster claim management, providing the insurance agents and advisors a complete 360-degree view of the entire policyholder journey, subsequently generating customer loyalty is a challenging task. And for that, Salesforce CRM solution will help in bringing you close to your customers. We bridge the gap between the policyholder and the insurers by providing them deep insights of the customer data and the complete portfolio of the customer policyholder policies, subsequently helping you in building the trust with the customer by tracking them at each and every level of their policyholder journey. At Salesforce CRM solution, we provide you some CRM applications as well as a customized special software which is called Velocities Insurance that will enable your insurance agents to have a 360-degree view of the entire policy lifespan of the customers. The major benefit and advantage for you is long-term relationship with the customers. Also, generating sales and revenue for the organization if the customer is with you in the long term and paying the renewal premium every year. You will be satisfied by directly interacting with your customers at every level of the journey. Grab the opportunity as we provide you 6 months of marketing service at the cost of 5 months. Now, some potential doubts and pain points would be there in your mind, and the doubts could be related to the budget, the overall competitors, the trust factor. The only answer I have to your doubts is the value proposition that Salesforce CRM has been providing over the years. It comes with the tools of standardization as compared to the other competitors in the market like HubSpot. It has been awarded consistently in 2018 and 19 the best CRM solution by ZDNet and CRM magazines. Now make the customer satisfaction focus of your